Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss the one problem about linked list. This is one of the most important question in linked list, and this is mostly asked question in interviews about the linked list. Okay, so let's see the question. Suppose we have given two sorted linked lists and you have to merge them in a sorted order, and assume that no repetition of numbers or duplicate numbers in linked list. Okay, so in this question we have given a two sorted linked lists and we have to merge that two sorted linked list to sorted in sorted order in where in merge sorted linked list there is no duplicate numbers in that linked list. So uh, so that means हमको इस क्वेश्चन में क्या करना है कि हमको दो मर्ज मतलब सॉर्टेड लिंक लिस्ट दी रहेगी और हमको उन दो सॉर्टेड लिंक लिस्ट को मर्ज करना है। और कैसे मर्ज करना है कि हम जो लिस्ट मर्ज करेंगे उसमें कोई डुप्लीकेट नंबर्स नहीं रहेंगे। फॉर एग्जांपल, here we have given some input. Okay, that is we have given list 1, that is 1 1 3 4 5, and we have given the second linked list, that is 6 8 9 and 10. So in this input the output should be like output should be merge list, that is 1, then 3, then 4, then 5, after 5 we have 6. Okay, 6, then 8 9 and 10. After 6 8, then 9 and then 10. The output should be like this. In this linked list there is no duplicate numbers. Okay, so like we have to given there is okay, let's suppose okay okay, so we have given this list, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we have given the linked lists 3, 4, and this is 5. Okay, okay, okay. That is the list 1. And now here is and 4. Okay, 6, then 8, then 9, and then 10. Okay, okay. So we have given these two linked lists. That is, this is list, oh, sorry, list 1, and this is list 2nd. So we have given these two linked lists and we have to merge them and without any duplicate nodes in that linked list. Okay, so the output should like this. Okay, 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so the list should look like, okay, so the output should be linked list, that is first 1, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, then 8, then 9, and at the end it is 10. And this will be the our output. So okay, so this should be the output. This should be our output. So now we'll try to code it. Okay, so first okay, so here the one main class is created. Inside main class we have to write the code. Okay, so first we have to create one node. First we have to create the node. So let's create the node first, like class, then node, then curly braces open. In curly braces we'll take in one data and one next pointer, that is node x. This is the structure of a node. So we have created a node here. Now so first we have to create a function to get the node's input. So here we'll create one function to get a node. So we'll write public node and get node, and in bracket we'll pass one integer data, and in that function we have to create one node, that is temporary node. Node temp equals to new node. Okay, we have created one temporary node and we'll assign the value that is in temp node, that is temp dot data equals to data, and temp dot next equals to null. Okay, so here we have created like one node and we'll assign the data into that node and one next pointer that is points to null, and we can return the node here. Okay, so we have write the code to get node. Okay, so now we have to write the function to merge two sorted linked list in a sorted manner or order. That means here we will write the code to sort merge the two sorted linked lists. So here we'll write static node sorted list. We'll give the uh, name as sorted list, and we'll pass the nodes of both linked lists, that is node A and node B. Okay, now now in this function first we have to create one node to store the this sorted list. So we'll create one node, that is result, and initially assign it to null. Okay, and now we have to write the base conditions here, that is if the linked list A and B, nodes of A and B are empty, or means it is we have to check that it is null or not. So we'll write the base condition, that is that if a equals to null. If a equals to if a is null, then we have to return b. Okay, okay. And else if we have to check for b as well. So b equals to null. If it is, then we have to return a. Okay, so we have written the base conditions to check if a and b are null or not. Now we have to pick either a node or b node. So we have to write the condition for this. So here we'll write if a dot data is less than equals to b dot data. Okay. If it is, if a dot data is less than equals to b dot data, then we have to assign the result equals to a, and also we have to print the result dot next equals to sorted list. We'll call the function itself, and we'll pass here a dot next. We'll pass the value of a dot next and comma b. Okay. If this is not, then we'll write the else condition. If a dot data is not less than b dot data, then we simply assign result equals to b, and result dot next equals to sorted list, and here we'll pass first a, and here we pass b dot next, because in this case b dot data is maybe greater than a dot data. That's why we are passing b dot next. Okay. And at the end, simply we return result. Okay, so here we have written the function to merge the two sorted linked list. Now we have to write the function to remove the duplicates from sorted list. Okay, so here we'll write the function static void remove duplicates, and here we'll pass the head node. Okay, static void remove duplicates. No, and in this function duplicate elements can be removed. So first in this function, first we need to uh, we have to here we need to write one pointer to traverse the linked list. So here we'll create one pointer that is node current, and we'll assign it to sign equals to head. Okay, so we have created one pointer to traverse the list. Okay, now we have to create one another pointer to store the next pointer of a node to be deleted. That means we here यहाँ पे हमको और एक पॉइंटर क्रिएट करना पड़ेगा जो कि स्टोर करेगा, जो हमको नेक्स्ट वैल्यू स्टोर करेगा जो हमको डिलीट करनी है. So here we'll create one pointer that is node, and we'll give the node to it, that is t node. Okay, so now uh, now we have to check if the list is empty. So we'll write here the condition if current equals to null. If it is, then simply we write return. If the list is empty, we do nothing if the list is empty. So next, now we have to traverse the list till the last node. Okay, so now we'll write the code here that is for to traverse the linked list. So we'll write the while function, while current dot next is not equals to null. So ये जो लिस्ट है कब तक ये चलेगी, ये कब तक चलेगी कंडीशन, जब तक मतलब करंट डॉट नेक्स्ट जो नोड है वो जब तक नल नहीं होता तब तक ये लूप वो कंडीशन मतलब ये कंडीशन चलती रहेगी. Okay, so in this while loop we have to compare if the current node with the next node. So यहाँ पे हमको चेक करना पड़ेगा करंट नोड जो है वो नेक्स्ट नोड के साथ चेक करना पड़ेगा. तो यहाँ पे हम एक कंडीशन लिखेंगे that is if current dot data equals to current dot next dot data. Okay, so we have written, we have to, here we are going to compare that if current is equals to next. Okay, so if it is equal, then we have to write t node equals to, will assign the current dot next dot next. Okay, and in current dot next assigned to t node, that is the pointer we have created to store the next node which needs to be deleted. Okay, So we have written this. Now we'll write the else condition here, and in else condition we'll going to assign current equals to current dot next. Okay, going to assign current C double R. Okay, current dot next. Okay, so now we have created a function to remove the duplicates from a list. Okay, now we have to write the function for to merge two sorted linked lists without duplicate. ओके सो यहाँ पे हमको अभी फंक्शन हम लिखेंगे जिसमें हम क्या करेंगे, दोनों लिंक लिस्ट जो है वो मर्ज करेंगे. ओके सो हियर we'll write public node sorted list. We'll give the name sorted list without duplicates. Okay, we have given the name to the function, and here we'll pass the arguments, that is node head1 comma node head2. Okay, so we have created a function to merge the two sorted linked lists. Okay, so in this function we have to call node. We'll create one node that is head equals to, and we'll call the function for to sort the linked list, sort the linked list. We are going to call this function, and we'll pass the both the arguments head1 and head2. Okay, and now we have called the function to sort the linked list. Now we are going to call the function to remove the duplicates from the merge list. Okay, so now we are going to call the remove duplicates, and we'll pass the head which we have created here, and we have okay, so we have called the remove duplicates and removed the duplicate elements from the sorted list. Okay, and simply we have written the head here. Okay, so we have written the head. So now our function is complete for to merge the two linked lists without duplicates. Okay, so now we have to write the one function to print the linked list. Okay, so here we'll write the function to print the linked list, public void and print list. Okay, and we'll pass the node in the function, and in print list we'll write the condition that is while node is not equals to null. If node is not null, then we are going to print system.out.print, and here we'll print node dot data, and here we'll print this operator. Okay, and after that we'll write node equals to node dot next. Okay, so we have written the function to print the linked list. Okay, okay, now we have done with the all the necessary functions. That is, first we have write the function to get the nodes, then we have write the function to merge the two sorted linked lists, and then we have removed the duplicate elements from the linked list, and then we have merged the both the linked list in this function, and at the end we have write the function to print the linked list. Okay, so now we have to take the nodes as an input in main class. So first we'll create the object of main class. So our name of our main class is main. Okay, okay, so we'll create the object for it, that is main list equals to new main. Okay, so we have created object for a main class. Okay, so now we have to add, first we have to create assign the node, that is node head. First we'll assign the node for first linked list, that is node head1 equals to list dot get node, the function which we have created, that is get node. So we'll print one. Now we'll write the we'll add the other elements in linked list, that is head. So that is head will be added. Now we'll need to add head dot next element. We'll added the next element. Now so to add the next element, simply we are adding the next to the head dot next. So here we have added the second element, and to add the third element we have to write head1 dot next. Okay, so here we have done the third element. Now we'll write for fourth element. So we have to write head1 dot next. Here we need to add one more next, and we'll to 5. Okay, so now we have added the elements in the list 1. Now will have to add the elements or nodes in the list 2. So we'll create another node, that is node head2 equals to list dot get node. Okay, and we'll get 6. And now we are going to add the next nodes in the list. Okay, so here we'll add only head to dot next, and here we'll take the input as 7, then we'll this copy and just add here next one more, and we'll take it as an input. Now again we'll add the next element, so we'll add the next and return 9. And now we're going to add one more element, next element, so we'll add the dot next again, and we'll add the okay. So here I have added the elements of 2 linked lists. Okay, now we have to create one more linked list to store the sorted linked list without duplicate numbers. So we'll create one node that will head 3. Okay, so now I will here I'll write head 3 equals to list dot sorted list without duplicates, and in the bracket I will pass the head 1 comma head 2. Okay, so we have passed the 2 arguments in this function. Now we call the print list function, so we'll write list dot okay, so before that here we'll write one statement, system dot out dot println, and here we'll give the message that is sorted merged link list. Okay, and we'll call the print list method. So we'll write list dot print list, and here we'll pass the head 3 for in which we have stored the sorted list elements without duplicates. And now our code is done, so now we'll try to run the code. So click on run. Okay, so our code is running now. Let's see what current dot. Okay, here we have made one mistake, that is here we need to write only current dot next dot data, because we have to compare current dot data with current dot next data. Okay, so we'll try to run. Okay, now let's see the our output sorted merge linked list. Okay, so output is 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, okay, so see here we have already seen our output should be 1, 3. Uh, okay, so here we have added 1 twice. That means we have added duplicate elements, but in our output duplicate elements is not printed. That means code execution or code our code is correct. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video, and if you like the video, then subscribe our channel. Okay, so that's it.